Martinia. Whoa.
People, I'm going to church. Just heading out. Hold on. Yeah. Walking home, and today it's kind of warm, but it's also snowing. So, yeah. So this is me walking out. Oh my God, it's kind of chilly. Oh, and look, my foot is like sliding. But yeah, how are you guys doing this morning? Today's gonna be a long day because I'm going to church and then I'm coming back and then I'm gonna cook, and then yeah, I'll try to video some of that for you. But right now I'm walking because they came to pick me up, so I'm walking and I'm sliding in the snow. So I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye guys. So hey guys, this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing my black cardigan with my purple inside shirt and a purple skirt, of course, and some black boots, yeah, because it's freezing outside, and with my bracelets and my high school ring, and I just did something to my hair. Yeah, but that's the outfit of the day. Pretty. Church was awesome. Morning, my vlog people them. I don't know how much you can see me, but at 1:35 in the morning, and you tell me say somebody has smoke in them room, and the fire alarm go off, you know. While me in my bed, you know, I get ready for go sleep for go school tomorrow morning. Somebody is smoking in them room. Go to the door, stand up out there for at least 5 minutes before the fire truck them come. When them come, this out of the area I come tell I and I say, on the can't, because somebody has smoke in them room, we can't go back inside. Hey, she don't know what's up, me now. She don't know what's up, me pay my money for come here. So, you know, if you come tell I and I say, I and I can't come back in them room because somebody, and me a smoke or somebody a smoke. So you tell me that for? I'm cross angry man. And after 1 in the morning I can't chop. It burn me for them people, yeah, man. Them need to go sit down and easy themselves. I come talk about how people can't go back in them room. You know I call out the door? Boots have to go on. Me sitting here studying, and this is all I hear. A fire alarm. Now I have to get my jacket to go outside in the rain while it's raining because somebody's being an idiot to pull the fire alarm. Jesus, save me from these fire alarms. This is like the third one for the week. Oh my God, hold on, I have to put on sweats. Bye. Come on, Jesus. Okay, guys. Literally, I just walked. I don't even know how many flights of stairs to go outside. And this is the payback I get. I'm soaking wet in boots and my jacket. It's soaking wet because somebody decided to do illegal stuff again. Like, these people need to stop. People have work to do and it's on a school night, so if you want to do that, go outside. Like, why do you have to keep on doing it inside? It's getting really annoying. And then we have to stand out there till the fire department comes, till the RA lets us back in. It's like really annoying. This one is the third one for the week. We had one, I think, Friday night. Then we had one Sunday morning. Then we had one again today. And all of them is on one floor because people are smoking. Smoking is not good. And this is the consequences we have to pay for smoking. Hey guys, this is heading somewhere. But I have good news, so I'm changing my channel. It's no longer going to be Jamaican Picnic. It's now going to be Naturally Safe. So that's my style. So I will talk to you guys later. Look at all my belongings that I have to bring along with me. It's like so messed up, but I'm jet locked because I've been traveling since since like 7, and then I got to the airport at like 8, and then I went to see my little baby cousin. I'm so happy to see her, but she was sad that I was leaving, so, but I'll make it up to her again. Yeah, and my new baby cousin, shout out to them, you know yourself, cousins. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.